Accidentally deleting important messages on your iQOO can be stressful. In this video, we'll show 4 ways to recover them using Google Backup, the All Deleted Messages Recovery app, your carrier, or Mobican Doctor for Android. Part 1. Retrieve deleted text messages on iQOO without backup. Recovering lost messages can be simple and efficient with Mobican Doctor for Android Win or Mac, a professional recovery tool. It allows users to scan the iQOO's internal storage and SD card to locate deleted text messages. How to recover lost text messages from an iQOO phone via Mobican Doctor for Android. Launch the program, connect your iQOO, and it will scan messages. If rooted with USB debugging, select Messages and choose Quick or Deep Scan. Review the retrieved text messages on your iQOO and identify the ones you wish to restore. Finally, click the Recover button and select a destination to save the recovered SMS files locally. Part 2. See deleted messages in iQOO phone with Google account. Go to Settings System Reset and choose Factory Data Reset. Enter your PIN and confirm. After restart, tap Let's Go. Copy your data backup from cloud. Sign into Google. Select a backup. Ensure SMS ends are checked, and tap Restore. Part 3. Recover accidentally deleted texts on iQOO via All Deleted Messages Recovery. Install and open All Deleted Messages Recovery, granting permissions. Let it scan for deleted texts, then select the messages to recover. Tap Restore and check your Messages app or the app's recovery folder. Part 4. Recover permanently deleted SMS on iQOO by contacting mobile carrier. Contact your carrier and request deleted SMS recovery. Provide account details and message info. Follow their verification process and submit any required forms. Wait for processing. Approved data may be returned as records.